At Camp Augusta, we have over 150 activities. Our mantra is if you cannot do it at home, you can do it at camp.
We have anything from high ropes to equestrian to crafts to water to circus, and there's such a variety of activities that in any given day you could have a cabin of 5 campers all have the most different, interesting day.
A child can dream up an idea and we can make it a reality. Fostering the world of wish, wonder and surprise involves taking the impossible and making it possible.
What's really special, and what I notice with campers who leave Augusta, is they come away with this feeling of, I did so much in one day. One day can feel like 5 days. And it's not this, oh, I'm so like exhausted from doing too much. It's this like, I can't believe how much a day can hold.
At camp, I think clinics have been a way for me to expand my abilities as a person. And just make me more adventurous.
And your clinic experience can really be whatever you want it to be.
I love clinics at Camp Augusta.
Yeah, there we go.